Welcome to TIMTOS 2025. We're here in Taipei, Taiwan to bring you 5 reasons why we think TIMTOS is one of the best industrial shows in the world. One, the vast range of machinery available here. In Taiwan, there's over 200 machine builders, meaning that there's such a wide range of machinery available. No matter what you're in the market for, there's something here for you. 2, it's not just about the range of machinery available here in Asia. Due to pressures around the world from customers, Asia is now focusing a lot more on sustainability. That's why a company like Shmeya has now brought out a brand new machine. It's not changed that much technically, but they're focusing on energy consumption. 3, since they've been building machines here since the 1980s, there are brands here that everybody knows and loves around the world. Since they build the machines here though, this is where you see the latest technology first. 4, since Taiwan has a huge influence in the worldwide semiconductor industry, there's machinery you might never have seen before, just like this silicon wafer loading machine. 5, as well as global brands in inspection and automation, there are Taiwanese companies here with locally made solutions that are built to inspire.